You're in training.
Yes, that's correct.
All right, yeah.
Just give me a second. You can join our team. Join our team. Trainer is okay. Join our team. So you conduct training, is it?
Correct, yeah.
Okay. What areas do you cover?
What sort of training actually is being conducted by you guys?
We actually do all type of training, like say basically leadership training, competency training, like negotiation skills, communication skills, strategic thinking, innovation. Then when it comes to leadership, we send people for seven habits programs. Then there is focus programs.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, we have coaching, and we have we have the technical programs like garment technology, fabric technology. Everything is done. I mean, we organize trainings. We get trainers. We speak to trainers, and we get them to come and sit
I'm
with
sorry.
us
I'm sorry.
give them the content.
Miss. Miss, can you just hold on for just like 1 second? Just 1 second.
Okay.
Oh, thanks. Ray, Heinz, stoppen! Stoppen Sie kaufen auf dem Sofa! Heinz, stop it, yaar! Hello, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah, sorry. So, I'm listening.
Yes, so we have all type of trainings. I mean, we conduct internally. We have trainers, or we get trainers to come and do programs for us.
Heinz,
will you let me know what
Heinz, stoppen Sie! Es peinlich war! I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry. Sorry, I was not listening. Yeah, continue.
Yes. So we conduct training internally, and we send people for external programs.
Heinz, stoppen, Heinz. I'm sorry, that's, we just got like this brand new, it's not brand new actually, but it's my Doberman. Yeah, sorry.
Oh. Okay. So what areas what areas are you thorough with?
These are some alternative modules that we've been training, and this is what I'm actually skilled in. Basically, there's the usual, adherence to the procedures. You've got your general obedience. Oh, I've got accreditation from the DoD. There are also.
Is it possible for you to share like a content or like what programs you cover? Is it possible for you to share with us?
Well, yeah, sure. I mean, this is all usually done in like a classroom environment.
Yeah. Okay.
It's like in a classroom, like in a total of about how many delegates per session?
We can have about 25. We usually have about 25 to 30.
Yeah, about 25 to 30, yeah. That's
or we could
quite
maybe
a number.
Bring it down also. It depends on what the topic is.
Now, usually the type of delegates that you are handling now, usually you get some that are suffering from either distress or like depression. Is there any cases like that you come on, that you have to tackle like on a daily basis?
Not exactly. No.
Do you have problems with like obedience and things?
Well, we have counseling training, so we can actually like one of our competencies is working under pressure. So we give training on working under pressure to all our employees.
Yeah. Like handling stressful like situations.
Yes, that's correct.
So like general obedience and things like, like general skill sets like, run and go fetch and things like that you all will be covering in general.
Yes.
And also there's like important skill sets that are also important, like, sit and give the paw.
Yes.
That kind of thing is usually covered.
Yes.
I see. like, are the owners also going to be there in the classroom itself?
Owners in the sense?
Of the delegates?
Yeah. They come as well. But not all the time. Only the trainer will come, and sometimes the others will also come.
20 minutes later.
Yeah. Most of the time we don't get the delegates to come, but it's always the people who need the training who comes for the program. But then if you need them to come, then we will make a request, and then they will also be there.
I see. So now, usually, when you are there, may be tasks involved during the workshop as well. I'm just guessing around.
Yes. Depends on what type of program it is.
What sort of reward system do you have within? I mean, after like every task, I'm sure there must be a reward system. Surely you're not resorting to the punishment method.
Well, when it comes to a program, there is no such, there's no way we do rewarding and such, but then there are some gifts that we give out. But company-wise, we have some schemes that we follow when it comes to rewards.
Sometimes I like to just sort of throw some, fructose-based chocolates and, just give as a reward.
That has been, there were some programs where we had garlands. We gave the people who answered properly those garlands.
Just a quick, like a nice little pat on the head, good boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Yeah. So now, Sorry.
That's okay. Go ahead. No, I was saying that we also had what you were talking about as well, like giving chocolate.
So now, if like, for example, when you find the difficult and the more antisocial delegates, is there any method? Because I usually like to, I like to have the owner with me, especially with antisocial delegates, especially when being taught to sit and, run and go fetch and things like that. It's good to always have the owner there, because you can then, the owner will be able to tell you signs about the delegate.
Yes, not throughout the program, but if you want them to be there, they will come and be there for some time, and then let you know what exactly you should do, and then they will leave. But not to the entire day, because obviously they will also have other commitments. They will also have to go to their programs and stuff, meetings and stuff like that. So not throughout the day, but then if you want them to be there, they will definitely.
All right. So my area of expertise is usually German Shepherds and Dobermans. And if there's, but 25 is like a big number though, I have to tell you. I have no experience. Training up to 25 to about 30 Dobermans in one classroom can be a little daunting. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Yeah, so that is the problem that I'm having. So maybe we can meet up and just sort of like discuss how to get about it. Yeah, hello. Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah, so... Yeah, so...
Yes. Okay.
What are some of the main breeds that you have there? Do you have like Chihuahuas? I don't agree with Chihuahuas. Chihuahuas and Dachshunds they have these massive inferiority complexes, which
sorry,
nobody can.
Where are you calling from?
We're just calling from EFM, ma'am. This is only a prank call.
That. You people knew.
And it's all courtesy of your training department. They're the ones who put me up to this.
I knew it! You're up to something. Okay. Now I'm embarrassed.
No, don't be embarrassed, dear. Don't be embarrassed. Dogs are human too. Sue and the rest of your training team put us up to this.